Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in silicon silver. As we proceed our journey from the front, you will see our premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side of this wonderful Evoque, the stylish and luxurious dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch alloy wheels. Venturing to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents of passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate will reveal a versatile amount of boot space. Looking to your left, you'll see your easy-to-access controls for your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure will intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. As we take a closer look at what the rear of this vehicle has to offer, you will see your ebony grain leather seats with your ebony Moorzine headlining, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. Driver and passenger will be impressed with their 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats. And as we take a closer look behind the wheel of this vehicle, you will see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which has a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane assist. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speedometer, your sat nav and your trip summary. As we now move over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear reversing camera and your front and rear parking aid, which will ensure parking this Evoque is like second nature. You will also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen. You will also be able to access your climate control system as well as your heated seat functions. As we now look down, you will also further be able to access climate control systems as well as further vehicle diagnostics and terrain systems. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross both occupants and the vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us today.